In this lesson, we'll do a brief overview of the PhpMyAdmin interface. All the databases you create will be listed in the left column. We can expand each database to see the fields by clicking the plus sign. Don't worry about the information schema and the performance schema that you likely have there by default. These come with the installation and are used by PhpAdmin to administer various tasks. On the top row, we have links to our administrative tools. We'll be using many of these as we progress through this section. On the right side, we have some information about our database and web server. As you're likely aware by now, we're using the MySQL database server as part of the WAMP installation. Our web server is APACHE, also installed as part of WAMP. We also have some information about the PhpMyAdmin that we currently have installed, including the version and links to additional support documentation.